Hi there, welcome to Ethereum Wyckoff Weekly. So we are looking at the Ethereum weekly chart on the screen, and before getting into the details, you know the standard practice. These sessions are not financial advice, they're for education research purpose only. However, your comments and discussion are very welcome. So back to the chart. Remember this orange tag, the AR, the automatic rally, right? So I mentioned last week or actually almost 2 weeks ago now, is actually tentative. Reason I gave back then was by referring to the last accumulation cycle. So these orange tags, if you're new to these sessions, they are for accumulation cycle. So previously I put it over there because the price was still moving. I said it's potentially an automatic rally, but it may not be the top of the rally as of that moment when I did the session 2 weeks ago. So if you look at here, from the bottom, the selling climax, to the top of the automatic rally where the wick was, it was almost 90% from where the is actually, if it's exactly from the bottom of the wick to the top of the wick, it's 130% almost. So this time, from the selling climax to the top of the wick, it's 96% roughly. So that's where I put the automatic rally right over there. So if you look at here as well, the automatic rally last time reaches the point of where PSY or the automatic reaction was, and this time it's something similar. It landed or ended somewhere between the PSY and the automatic reaction, the AR, the other AR. So don't mix these two. In distribution cycle, this is automatic reaction where the price comes down from the buying climax. The automatic rally is the price surge from the selling climax to where it is. So assuming we're going to close with like a red candle with there's still 25 hours to go, then this would probably confirm the automatic rally's top. So that's how it looks like, right? Multiple green candles, a long red one last time. It doesn't have to be always, it can be a short one and then a longer one, or multiple short ones to go to the second test. However, if we look at here, the blue line, or the price, the traders are now fighting the battle to keep the price above this blue line. This blue line is the support line, basically extended from the PSY as well as the sign of weakness. So let's see how long the price can be kept above this line. There is a chance, not always, if it's like if we shrink this chart, if it is a full accumulation period, and it would take longer, but there's still exceptions. There are always exceptions in the market where this is a very short accumulation, and then like the price does another round of sideways movement above the blue and below the green line. So that's still possible, but given the current backdrop, it doesn't look like that it has much of a boosting force unless there are very solid good news like policy or regulations being passed, that kind of thing that is going to give material positive impact to the crypto market, Ethereum especially, and also a couple of other major crypto. That's when the price can go and retest the green line, in this case for Ethereum. So if not, then we have seen what happened in 2002, 2003, all the way to end of 2003 actually. So that's almost 1.5 years back then. If we take a look at the daily chart from micro perspective, so the price broke out from this upward trend and re-entered the short-term playground zone. So this pink box here, multiple times since January last year, the price of Ethereum has been traded within this box. As of this moment, it's being traded below this center line. So I explained in the past, the center line doesn't have to be exactly at the middle of the box. It's basically a line that draws or differentiates the two different sections where multiple or longer term trading activities was observed. So as of this moment, the price is still within this lower section of the short-term playground zone. Like I said earlier, it would stay the same if there are no particularly good or bad news that's going to happen. So that's pretty much the picture for Ethereum.